Hi Leo, this is your channel messages for the 31st of October. It is Halloween, Leo. I hope you're having a great day today. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Let us go ahead and go into your reading, Leo. We're doing your Temple of Aphrodite spread. Seems to be very sexual, but all we're getting is heads being butted a lot, Leo. We're not really getting what we wanted to get, but nevertheless, let's just go ahead and go into your reading. Let's see, what do you think, Leo? You're thinking about money, you're thinking about a return on your investment, you're thinking about the Seven of Pentacles. What are they thinking about? They thinking of, so you have the job already, waiting on pay. They might think about getting a job to pay them. So I'm getting you and somebody's very much at a different place when it comes on to your career, okay? Nevertheless, both of y'all don't have money, so you guys are kind of in the same position, to be honest. What do you feel? Page of Swords. What do they feel? Seven of Swords. I'm getting you are willing to wait on an opportunity to give you money. The other person is willing for thief. Somebody now wait. Somebody ain't waiting on One of Pentacles for turn to 2 to 3 to 4 because you have 7 and you still a wait. So I'm getting somebody like a thief. Or I'm getting out of every 7 pentacles you've been waiting on. I'm getting, if you've been waiting on something and you wonder why it not come true, maybe every day, every week, I'm getting somebody a thief one of your pentacles them. One of your pentacles them I get stolen every day, every week, every day, every week. So I don't know if this is your lover or somebody close to you, I'm getting them stealing from you. What's your sexual feelings? The 8 of Wands, what's their sexual feelings? The Page of Wands. So I'm getting to meet somebody. I'm getting to go on a date with somebody and you date to rob you. I don't know if they went online in your phone. I don't know what them do, them rob you. I'm getting, maybe every time this person meets them can rob you. So I'm getting somebody sneakingly trying to hide the fact that every time you're near them get money. Them can't make you know this. So they might come to you. Maybe they might invite you somewhere. Them being very, very nice to you. It's because maybe somebody gonna be nice to you after you get money, they want to thief it from you. So somebody might act like a slug, not a slug, a leech. Me getting when you get money, them go round you, them go up in you, because they want you to spend off your money first. So then you can sit down and watch them spend for them money, or you can wait and you don't know where you want to get money from. So be careful, somebody only run you for thief from you or them want to use you for your money. There's no sex here. Somebody tell you say you're pretty and I kiss you and I romance you. Because I'm getting you're asking questions about money, but every time I do it, somebody try to shut you up. Or tell you why you're asking questions about money. We have money, it's fine. I'm getting the person to steal from you. Where is this going? The Queen of Pentacles. The money, them a thief from you and the money I go to their mother. Somebody a thief money from you to give to their bum-ass mother who opened them leg too early and make that man come inside of them. So apparently your mother was a dumbass hoe, so you have to get another girl who wasn't a dumbass hoe, who's younger than your mother, and you a thief from she to give your mother. The dumbass hoe who opened her blood clot hole. The dumbass hoe who met that man come inside of her. She a dumb hoe. I know you're stealing from somebody younger than her. She's a dumbass hoe who spread her blood clot legs so blood clot wide that a plan B wouldn't even fucking work in her pussy. The way how she spread her blood clot legs for that man. The way how the man tell her I want to marry you, right? So your mother did this, had a fucking you. She had a you, and after she had a you, she still can't support her blood clot hole. So she not sell her pussy. She sell her son for go thief from other people for support her. Tell your mother she will go sell pussy. That's what you tell your mother for do. She have blood clot, a leech pan blood clot young girl. Young girl wanna open them hole for make no blood clot man did fuck them. And even if one man did want to open them hole for fuck them, the girl never want no blood clot man, unlike a desperate blood clot mother. So your mother have your teeth from young girl for support she. Tell your mother for go sell pussy. She know what it feel like for have that push out her pussy, so it don't matter. She can't get any blood clot client. She won't feel the dick. Believe me, she push out to you. Go outside. Tell your mother to go outside, go sell pussy. Internet. Or she can sell pussy on the internet too. Yeah, tell your blood clot mother she for go sell pussy. Your teeth from blood clot young girl. Young aspiring girl who I try to fix them, get them life together. Your mother a big blood clot old woman. Our blood clot breast milk a blood clot powder. Her fucking cum is fucking, you don't even slime it, coming like blood clot water alone. Water without water with wow. Water without the blood clot wow, your mother pussy coming like. Tell your mother for go sell pussy. Or if she not no blood clot teeth in her head, tell her so she can go suck dick. Believe me, I hear that getting sucked, your dick sucked without no teeth in your head is brilliant. She can suck dick for your blood clot living. She want teeth from young girl. Why don't even have a blood clot picnic yet? You want teeth from young girl. Tell your mother for go sell pussy. Program. Tell her say them like old woman pussy. Magician, yeah, you have some young man them like for fuck mothers. We're not talking about the MILFs. Them like for fuck all a woman. Tell your mother for go blood clot sell pussy. Tell your mother for sell pussy because your mother make you rob the blood clot girl for support she. Because your mother jealous of the relationship you and the girl have, or she jealous of you. Tell your mother for go open out her blood clot clit and squirt for the blood clot man them for money. She use your girlfriend as blood clot bank. I asked her if her ass not work either because she old anyways. So I'm sure poo supposed to can come out easily. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Goodbye.